When the time comes for us to live together, I won't feel lonely, I won't feel alone like I feel now. When night falls, your shadow always comes to my heart. I can't sleep soundly without you by my side. My love, tell me that you miss me too. My love, come back, let me hug you tightly. Darling, don't be angry. Remember our memories, the beautiful times we spent together. Love, please come home to me again.